Uneven skin tone, sagging skin, and low energy. What if there were treatments that addressed it all? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes as our client Patsy experiences 3 transformative therapies: stem cell therapy IV, clear clarity laser, and Virtue Divine Deep Mode. Curious about how these treatments could change your skin and body? Let's find out. First, Patsy meets with the doctor for a full consultation. Do you want to start with the concerns that you have? Would you like to improve?
Yes, just basically the quality of my skin.
Before, you also wanted to do the stem cell therapy IV, right?
Yes.
It helps basically to repair damaged tissue in the body and also improve the immune system. It also helps to rejuvenate your body from within. Alright, so doctor's noticing that you have some redness and some visible blood vessels. So that can be addressed with the clear clarity laser. It helps to shrink the vessels.
Yeah.
So it's going to help with redness.
Okay.
And then to help tighten your skin and also improve the elasticity, the doctor recommends doing Virtue Deep, which is microneedling with radio frequency.
Okay.
So we can do those treatments for the skin and also the stem cell therapy. Next, she's with our skin specialist who explains the treatment plan and answers any questions she has. So for today, we're going to be doing the stem cell therapy, the Virtue Deep, and Clear Clarity. Now it's time for a detailed skin analysis. We are using our high-tech analyzer to take a closer look at Patsy's skin and pinpoint any concerns so we know exactly what her skin needs. We start with a thorough cleanse, removing any makeup or sunscreen to get Patsy's skin ready for the treatments. First treatment is the Clear Clarity Laser. A small gas will come out, please don't be startled. Is this okay with you, Anna?
Yep, fine.
Alright. This laser works on various skin discolorations like freckles, dark spots, and age spots. Using dual laser technology, the 755 nanometer alexandrite and the 1064 nanometer Nd:YAG, it targets melanin deep in the skin to break down pigmentation safely and effectively for all skin types. The Clear Clarity laser also helps to shrink visible blood vessels and reduce redness. Our client Patsy has chosen this treatment to minimize the appearance of blood vessels and redness for a more even skin tone. After the treatment, tiny scabs may form as part of the skin's natural healing process. This happens because the laser breaks down excess melanin from the pigmentation in the skin, causing it to rise to the surface. As the skin regenerates, these scabs will naturally fall off within a week, leaving behind a clearer, more even complexion. Time to apply numbing cream. This keeps Patsy comfortable for the Virtue Divine Deep Mode treatment. Let's move on to the stem cell therapy IV. We're recharging Patsy's body from the inside out. While the numbing cream sets in, the doctor starts with the stem cell therapy IV by taking a small sample of her blood and using a centrifuge to isolate the stem cells. Once the cells are ready, they are reintroduced into her bloodstream. These powerful stem cells seek out damaged tissues and cells throughout the body, helping to repair and rejuvenate from within. It also helps to rejuvenate the body at a cellular level, promoting overall wellness and giving the skin a refreshed, healthy glow. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Stem cell therapy IV can leave you feeling more energized, with improved mobility and a greater sense of well-being. This treatment works by promoting healing and regeneration at a cellular level, enhancing both your appearance and overall body function. The stem cells naturally repair damaged tissues, supporting better health and strengthening your body's defenses. As an added bonus, you might even notice a healthy, youthful glow as your body rejuvenates itself. With the stem cells active, it's time for the Virtue Divine Deep Mode. This FDA-approved treatment uses radiofrequency and microneedling to boost collagen and elastin. It's perfect for skin firming, tightening, and improving texture with minimal irritation. After the treatment, some redness can be expected, which will last for about 1 to 2 days. Remember to gently cleanse, use sunscreen every day, and avoid hot baths or harsh products for 1 week. With Virtue Divine done, we're applying the rest of the stem cell plasma directly on her face. This step takes advantage of the microneedling channels, allowing the stem cell plasma to deeply absorb and enhance Patsy's post-treatment glow. Next up is the diatomaceous earth modeling mask. This mask absorbs any remaining impurities while nourishing the skin. Plus, it's extra cold, making it perfect for cooling everything down after the procedure. To round off the treatment, we apply regeneration cream and a layer of sunscreen to lock in Patsy's glow and protect her skin. And that's it. Patsy's session today shows just how personalized skincare can be, addressing a range of goals from laser treatments to cellular rejuvenation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more insider looks at advanced treatments. We'll see you soon at the next glow up session.